Hey everybody, you know me, it's Paul with Washington Pro Carpet Cleaning, and today I'm going to review this TackLife. There's the model. I'll put a description or a link to the Amazon in the description. The brush and the extension did not come with it. I ordered a kit for, I think it was $8. It came with a bunch of brushes. I'll show you that. But it is a 20 volt, and what I'm going to do, I've seen other carpet guys with these cordless drills, when there's a spot, they kind of hit it and let the brush do the work. The extension helps, you don't have to lean down as far. It does have the adjustable torque, which is going to be this here. You can spin it so that it'll break at whatever torque you want, so that it won't do any damage. It's got a reverse key here, so you can go the opposite direction. And it does have that light, so you can see what you're doing. And then it does have a 2-speed operation, so you can set it on 1 or 2. So that'll be helpful. I'm excited to try that out. I thought I would share that with you. And the tools that I purchased to go with it, this is the box the drill came in. But I went ahead, I'll show you here. It comes with the instruction manual. And you got some drill bits and a short extension, and then I believe this is a clip to hang your charger on the wall. I'm not 100% sure on that yet. There's some additional bits. Then this is the rounded head, so you can get in corners, which would be nice for doing low moisture cleaning. Use that where you would use a doodle bug. Get the dirt out of the corners before you vacuum, or if it's soil while you're cleaning. And then of course the smaller unit for smaller areas. So it should be pretty exciting to give this thing a whirl. See how it works on carpet. And the price was right. I mean, I'm pretty sure and I had a coupon code. I can't remember how I got the coupon code. I think my wife may have searched online and found that coupon code. Yeah, you got drill bits. If you can see that. You got drill bits. You got the adapter. You got all your tools you need there. And it only came with 1 battery. I'll probably buy a backup battery just to keep a couple on the van. So, and then here's your, again, that's your model. Check out the Amazon link in the description. And I'll update you. I'm heading to a job today, a little bit bigger job. It's in a area in Poulsbo. It's a move out. And hopefully if there's some little spots or stains, then we'll attempt to pre-spot them and use the TackLife cordless drill. I am going to be using, for my pre-spotter in a spray bottle, the citrus. I have a powdered citrus cleaner, which is basically, it's not an oil solvent or anything like that. It's not that type of citrus. It's just a actual citric acid powder. And I have a link for that as well. I think it's like $14 for a big bag of it on Amazon. But I'm going to try and use that instead of the ammonia. After finding out how harmful the ammonia can be, you can find that out in one of my community posts. If you go to my channel and click on community, you'll see those posts as well. And of course, I got all my pads laundered and ready to go today. So I hope you liked the video, and I'll add some footage hopefully today. Let you know how that works. And I'm wondering, do they make this extension longer? Not, I mean, I can bend over, but if it's, you know, maybe a 13 or 14 inch, I think that's a 6 inch, you would be able to get on those spots. If you went to a house with a lot of spots, gosh, if you had to keep bending down, you could get dizzy pretty quick doing it. But we'll see how it works. It should be very helpful. All right, just wanted to share that with you. I'm heading out, and I'll put some more footage up on the jobs that I do, or one of the jobs, probably the bigger job I do this morning on my lunch break. And then we can review this again. Thanks for watching. Check out the links in the description if you're interested. I'm not an affiliate. I just found this one online and thought it looked like a pretty good outfit. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. I've got a lot of plans for the 2021 year. I'm going to change things up a little bit and look forward to sharing those videos with you. I'll see you in the next one.